Staying with agriculture, and avocado farmers in Kisii County are accusing the county government of conning them into planting avocados with the promise that the county would build a processing plant. But 5 years and 150 million shillings later, the factory is yet to be built, leaving the farmers with plenty of avocados and nowhere to take them. In 2013, the Kisii County government partnered with Turkish and Australian investors to put up a 150 million shilling plant with the capacity to process 80 tons of avocados daily. The investor proceeded to buy the equipment needed, and the county used a makeshift go-down to serve as a temporary factory. The go-down has since been reassigned to other duties, leaving the avocado equipment idle and gathering rust.